Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 71 Coldbath Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-storey property with a garden to the rear. Okay, and then moving into the property, we have a bay window here to the first reception room. Really quite a nice size. And then going towards the second reception room, we have the understairs storage cupboard, which currently houses the fridge freezer as well. From here we have a door going out to the rear garden. There's also the door leading to the stairs. So through to the kitchen, we have an integrated cooker and hob in here, and wall-mounted gas boiler just on the left-hand side. And through to ground floor bathroom with toilet, panel bath with thermostatic shower above. And then we have the wash basin here as well, which has a fitted cupboard below. And then onto the first floor, we've got the stairs going up to the second floor, and we have 2 bedrooms, starting with this one here at the front of the property. So a good size double room with lovely high ceilings, and across to the next bedroom. Then we have an aspect to the rear. But again, good size room. And then moving up to the top floor bedroom, where we have, again, a window to the front aspect. And then we also have the benefit of the ensuite shower room. So we have the corner shower, toilet and wash basin. Okay, then moving outside, and we have this raised block paved patio area here. And then a couple of steps down to the main garden area. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call us as soon as you can, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.